Welcome to ChemTube Lessons. Our lesson title is Cell Organelles and Their Functions. Our lesson objectives will be Introduction to Plant and Animal Cell, Cell Organelle and their functions, Differences and similarities between plant and animal cell. Cell is defined as the basic smallest unit of life, and all living things, plants and animals, are made up of cell. So let's look at the plant cell and their organelle. So the diagram here represents the plant cell, structure of the plant cell, and the organelles, that is the different parts of the plant cell. So study this diagram and note the different organelles that make up the plant cell. The animal cell. So we'll be looking at the animal cell and its organelle, the shape, the structure, and the function. And then we want you to compare the shape and the different organelle between the plant cell, which you've seen previously, and the animal cell, which you're going to see now. So this is the animal cell. So it has an irregular or circular shape. So these are also the organelles. So take note of the organelles of the animal cell. Cell organelles. So what are cell organelles? So organelles are special structures within the cell which performs a function. The organelle found in cells generally are, we have nucleus, we have the nucleolus, we have the cytoplasm, the mitochondria, the chloroplasts, the Golgi bodies, the lysosome, ribosome, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, the vacuole, the cell wall, and the cell membrane. So let's start with the nucleus. The nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle that stores most of our genetic information, genome. It is enclosed by a nuclear membrane. The function is that it controls the life activities of the cell. The nucleolus. The nucleolus is found within the nucleus. The nucleolus is known as the site of ribosome production. That is, it produces the ribosome. The cell wall. The cell wall has a primary cell wall and a secondary cell wall. In a plant cell, the cell wall is made up of cellulose, while in a fungal cell, it is composed of chitin. It protects and maintains the shape of the cell. It also helps the cell to withstand too gut pressure. The cell membrane. The cell membrane provides mechanical support that facilitates the shape of the cell while enclosing the cell and its components from the external environment. Function: it regulates what enters and leaves the cell. So alright, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for other videos. The mitochondria. Mitochondria is a rod-shaped organelle which has a double layer of the membrane. It is considered the powerhouse of the cell. The main function of the mitochondria is to provide energy. So it is the site of ATP respiration. The chloroplast. It is a double membraned cell, organelle rather. The outer and inner membrane structure, it is found in the plant cell. The function is provide food for plants through photosynthesis and give plants their green color. The Golgi bodies. The Golgi bodies or apparatus is the cell organelle mostly present in eukaryotic. It is found at the edge of the cell. The function of the Golgi bodies that it has an essential purpose of packaging and transporting proteins and lipids to their destination. So it packages the protein and lipids. The ribosome. The ribosomes are circular structure found in the plants, both the plant and animal cell. They're usually attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are the site of biological protein synthesis in all living things. So that means it produces the protein. It is the site of protein production. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. So the rough ER is the endoplasmic reticulum that has the ribosome attached to it. So it is involved in protein production or protein synthesis. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth ER is the endoplasmic reticulum that lacks ribosome, and its major function is for lipid synthesis. That means function is for lipid production. The lysosomes. Lysosome is a membrane-bound cell organelle that contains digestive enzymes. The lysosomes are involved with various cell processes. They break down excess or worn-out cell parts. They may be used to destroy invading viruses and bacteria. Let's look at the comparison between plant and animal cell. So we have here evaluation. So study these questions to gauge your level of understanding of the plant and animal cell organelles and their function. So make sure you attempt the questions. So thank you very much for watching this video. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for other videos. Thank you.